Welcome to the Republic of the Rio Grande Museum. My name is Andrea Ordóñez and I'm the museum manager. Here at the Republic of the Rio Grande Museum, you can learn about the history of this independent republic that lasted from January to November of 1840. Laredo was the capital, and this building was the Capitol building of the Republic. This building is the crown jewel of Laredo's history. This is the Republic of the Rio Grande flag. It is believed to be inspired by the Texas flag. Texas flag has one star that represents the state. This flag has 3 stars that represent the 3 states of Nuevo León, Tamaulipas, and Coahuila, Texas. These were the states that made up the Republic of the Rio Grande. This building was originally a house, and then in 1840, it was the Capitol building of the Republic of the Rio Grande. This part of the house was originally built in 1830, and an addition to the house was added in 1861. I'm now standing in the ranching office area of the museum. This part of the museum is divided in 3 rooms, which are the ranching office, and as you can see, we have different artifacts from the time. We have ranching artifacts, office artifacts. We also have entertainment artifacts, and this is what we would believe their house looked like. Garcia, and he was in charge of registering cattle brands. So here we have some different branding irons. We have spurs, we have sheep shears, we have barbed wire, we have different saddles that people would use. So this is a little bit of what we think ranching life was. We're now stepping in the bedroom. Here we have different artifacts such as clothing, shoes, books, and we have this wooden bed that is also made of rope. Mattresses were made out of hay and different materials, also sheep's wool. The springs had this rope that they would tighten at night. So when people say sleep tight, this is what they would talk about. Religious life was and is very important to the people of Laredo. Here we have this antique Bible. This is a niche that is in the wall of the bedroom. According to Catholic tradition, it was important for people to pray several times during the day, including the rosary. Having a niche in the house made it easier for people to just be able to pray to the different saints. So now we're standing in the kitchen area, which I think is everybody's favorite room in the house. There were always a lot of activities happening in the kitchen. I would even say that it was a very social environment to be in the kitchen. People would be here cooking, boiling water, and sometimes they would even take care of their kids here in the kitchen, just because there was a lot to be done. Here, there are some of my favorite artifacts, including a washing machine. And over here we have this water filter, which is a limestone basin where people would pour the water and then it would filter down to this jug. And then they would still go ahead and boil the water, but this is a very ancient technology. It is believed that the Mayans used things like this to filter water. So here we have this pecan wood cradle from the 1820s that was donated to the museum by the Sanchez estate. Over 50 babies slept on this cradle.